Woohoo! What's up guys? Welcome to my another video. Wow! Look at that guys. What is that? This a bike. Wow! This a motorbike. Woohoo! You can see this a spring motorbike. Gypsy. This a gypsy motorbike. Oh! This a American motorbike. Ho! You can see guys, this a toy bike. Wow, like realistic toy bike. Woohoo! Watch till the end guys. Today I have so many toys for you. I have a bike and helicopter, bullet train and some vehicles. Wow! Now I have a toy helicopter. Wow! You can see this a toy helicopter. Wow! This a red color and blue color. This a toy helicopter. Ho ho! You can see this interesting helicopter. Wow! You can see guys, this a bullet train. Wow, this a white color bullet train. Wow, this a toy bullet train. Oh, you can see guys, this a realistic toy bullet train. Wow, this a train. This a white color. And I have a animals car. Wow, you can see this animal truck. Wow, you can see this vehicle is very interesting. 6 wheel. Wow, it's sky blue and orange color. Wow, you can see this animals car. Wow, this a nice inside animals cow. You can see this is a white cow. Wow, it's really amazing guys. You can see nice toy for you guys. Now I have a bus. Wow, this is a tourist bus. Ho ho, this is a green color tourist bus. Wow, this is a yellow, full yellow color. Ho ho, this is a spring tourist bus. Wow, you can see like realistic tourist bus. This is a toy tourist bus. Wow, you can see guys, it's a nice toy. Oh, you can see, wow, this is a powerful tourist bus. What is that? This is a fire truck. Wow, this is a fire truck, fire crane. Wow, you can see this orange color and this a white color truck. Wow, this is a fire truck. This is a fire service truck and equipment. You can see guys, this is a crane, like crane. Realistic fire truck. Wow, it's a fire truck. can see, and here is a 6 wheel. Wow, it's a really amazing toy. You can see, guys. And I have another one, toy helicopter. These are red color and blue color toy helicopter. Wow, you can see, guys, these are like realistic toy helicopter. Woohoo! These are just for you, toy helicopter. Ho! You can see, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Please like, comment, share, and do subscribe this channel for more videos. And thank you so much for stay with this channel. Bye bye.